Welcome! In front of me is Dell Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you how to check graphics card on this laptop. To check the graphics card of your Dell, open the settings, then go to System and scroll all the way down to the About section. Here you'll find the name of your graphics card and the amount of the video memory on it. You can also check more information about your graphics card by right-clicking the taskbar, going to Task Manager, opening the Performance section, and here you can find all the information about your graphics card in the GPU tab. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.